Yo, what's up guys? We are back home now, back in Spokane, Washington. I got home about an hour ago, busted out the Stance Wars vlog from this weekend. If you haven't seen it, be sure to go check it out if you're interested. I came home and we had some new car parts in the mail. These are a new set of taillights for the FRS. So to start this vlog out with a bang, let's go through these things on to the FRS. So these here are the taillights we decided to go with this time around. These are the VLAN. They're kind of like a 2018 BRZ taillight replica. They look really, really good. I am running VLAN headlights, and I think these VLAN taillights match the headlights really, really well. If you're a long-time sub, you already know these will be linked down in the description box below. I think they're about 260, 270 bucks. Not a bad price for what you get. Don't mind my trunk right now, it is a complete disaster. I put that strut tower bar in there, and I still have to cut all the wood to go around the strut tower. But yeah, let's get these things swapped out. I do like these. I really do like these taillights. I just feel like they didn't really match this build. And plus this one got destroyed in shipping. I think the VLANs are gonna match this thing much, much better. So there's the new tail, there's the old tail. I think they look quite a bit better on this build, but I think it'd look even better on the new taillights if inside this little, like this clear area right here, if I did like a very, very light smoke on that. I think that'd look pretty clean. But overall, I'm very, very pumped with these. Once again, if you guys want to pick them up, first link in the description box below. You can find these new VLAN taillights. They look sick. The next thing we are going to work on is the front of the car. So the other day we built these custom little side splitters. I want to pull these off, get all this sanded smooth, and vinyl wrap them black. And then we're going to be doing green pinstriping. So many of you guys on Instagram recommended that I do the green pinstriping along this edge. And I may do it up the side. I'm not really sure yet. I guess we'll see what looks better. But either way, let's get these things pulled off, sanded down on the top, and vinyl wrapped so they look completely black and match the rest of the car. So this is what we came up with. I haven't done that side yet, but this is this side here. I don't know if I should take some of the vinyl off or if I should leave it just like that. I'm not sure if that little section right there is too much. I guess just go drop a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. I like it, but I feel like there may be a little bit too much yellow. Alright dudes, it's getting pretty late. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here for tonight. I'll pick it back up in the morning. I need to kind of rebuild our trunk setup, and I'll show you guys why. Actually, I think I explained it earlier, but in the morning, we can go pick up some more wood. I'm not gonna cut up the wood I have just in case I wanna go back to a carpetless trunk setup, just the wood exposed. In the morning, we can run in, grab a nice sheet of plywood, and redo that trunk setup. Get it looking good and how it should once again. All right, boys, it is now the next day. I just picked up a full sheet of plywood. It's like $10, pretty damn cheap. I didn't really care what it looked like because it's gonna be covered under that trunk bat we have anyway. So I got a 4x8 sheet of OSB, I think it was called. Now I'm gonna head back home, get it all cut up. Gotta cut it for around those strut tower bars, and hopefully we should be good to go. I wanna get a new mat made as well. I think the company is gonna make me a new one just because that one I have currently has that really big crease in it that's not coming out. And I'm gonna see if they can make it to go around the strut tower bars as well, so it looks nice and clean and I don't have to cut it out. We got the current setup pulled out. I have my OEM floor mat sitting right here on the plywood. I'm gonna trace it out and then cut the plywood. To get the plywood to actually fit inside the trunk, we are gonna have to cut it in half. So this here is the gist of how I want everything to sit. Tank, and then strut bar, and then the manifold. I had to change everything around because that strut bar was running right where the manifold sits, or used to sit, so I kind of was forced to change up the setup a little bit. Not much different. I don't really know what else to do. I could do like a hardline setup, but I've never done that before. It'd be fun to learn, but for now, I kind of wanted to get this thing back up and going so we can get to work on the Evo. All right, we got everything finished up. There is the wood, there is the trunk mat. I'm really hoping that they'll remake. I cannot stand that line right there. I don't know how to get it out. If anyone has any ideas how to get that center line out, drop a comment down below. I cut it for the strut tower brace thing. That is where it sits, so I cut that little flap up. Let's go ahead and throw this thing in the car, get all the lines hooked back up, and then we should be able to get this thing out of the shop and get to work on the Evo X motor. We got all of the air management in there looking nice and good. One thing I want to do with this bar before we throw it on, I actually got this comment on YouTube, is match it to my wheels. Do that same brush look that we have on the wheels on this strut bar. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna grab some Scotch-Brite, hit it real quick, brush it up, and should be able to get on the car, be good to go. The trunk setup is 100% done. I really like how it came out, especially with that brushed bar. Matches the lips of the wheels 100% perfectly. Very pumped on how it came out. Now we are still waiting on the rear upper control arms to come in, so I can't really do anything else to this FRS until I get those. I can't align the car, I can't get the windshield replaced, I can't get the windshield tinted, I can't do anything until we get those arms in. So in the meantime, guys, you already know we have a new Evo 10 motor to work on, so that is what we're gonna do next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned if you're into Evos for the next video coming up. We're gonna tear apart the new motor, see what exactly is going on with it, and tear apart our old motor as well completely. Make sure the pistons and rods are good to go. See you guys then.